72 students of Haryana Super 100 program excel in JEE Advanced 2025. JEE Advanced Result 2025 was declared on Monday, and 72 students who qualified the exam were enrolled in the Super 100 program, which is conducted by the Haryana government in partnership with the NGO Vikalp. This year 193 students enrolled for the program for the JEE Advanced examination, and 37 of them achieved success. Speaking to the Hindustan Times, Navin Mishra, head of Super 100 program at the Kurukshetra Center, said the results reflect the potential of the initiative to transform the lives of the aspirants. Recalling an incident of a student from Dinat village in Bhiwani, Muskan, who came from a household that struggled to afford an education at a private school with basic facilities. Mishra highlighted that through the program she managed to secure an All India rank Air of 1383 in the U's economically weaker section category, is now eyeing a seat at IIT Indian Institute of Technology. According to Hindustan Times report, another student in the program, Sufta Parveen from Faridabad, secured Air 1630 in the U's category. Her father works in a private factory and her mother is a homemaker. She enrolled to the program after hearing about it from a friend. Credits Mishra for her achievement. Sufta says that her journey would not have been possible without his support. Swipe left for next video. Ravinder Jungara, a student who comes from an agriculture-based family, emerged as the topper of the program with Air 212 in the OBC category and overall rank 1267. He says that the program changed his life, as without this opportunity he would not be able to pursue his dream. The Super 100 program was started in 2018 by Navin Mishra, who comes from Madhubni in Bihar and is an IIT Delhi graduate. Although he reached the UPSC interview stage twice, he decided to focus on improving education instead. Since then, 6 groups of students from the program have appeared for the JEE Advanced exam, and many of them have achieved great success despite facing tough challenges. Latest blogs.